St. Thomas Aquinas, Accra Academy, Presbyterian Boys Secondary School, all at 14 points. Chemu Senior High Technical School, 18 points. Achimota School, 23 points. So I'll repeat the scores. St. Thomas Aquinas, Accra Academy, and Presbyterian Boys Secondary School, all three of you have 14 points. So it's a tie in that position. Chemu Senior High Technical School, 18 points, and then Achimota School, 23 points. So we move on to round 2. The speed round. In the speed round, the question is thrown to all schools, and any school can give me the right answer at any time. The first school to ring their bell and give me a correct answer can do so for 3 points. If incorrect, then the second school that rang the bell can attempt the answer for 2 points. If that is incorrect, then the third school can attempt for 1 point. However, if at any point any of these answers are incorrect, we will deduct 1 point. And when you press the bell, you have 3 seconds to start answering your question. And I need the answers to be straight to the point. I need them to be succinct, no dragging, no umming and ahhing, okay? All right, let's do this. Round 2. Calculate the enthalpy change for the reaction CH4 plus 2O2 gives you a product of CO2 plus 2H2O, given that the standard enthalpies of formation of CH4, CO2, and H2O are minus 75, minus 400, and minus 240.
Thus, negative 805 kilojoule per mole.
That is correct. A saturated solution of lead 2 fluoride. A saturated solution of lead 2 fluoride contains 1.5 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 mole of the salt in 300.0 centimeter cube of solution. Calculate the value of solubility. Chemu Senior High Technical School.
So we have 2.5 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 4 mole per dm cube.
Incorrect. I will continue the question. Solubility product Presbyterian Boys Secondary School.
5.0 by 10 to the power negative 7 mole to the power 3 dm to the power -9.
The answer is correct. Give the systematic name of 2-ethyl, 3-bromo, 4-chloro, 4-methylbutane. Achimota School.
That's 2-chloro, 3-bromo, 4-methyl-hexane.
St. Thomas Aquinas.
Three bromo, 2-chloro, 4-methyl-hexane.
That is correct. Name the epidermal cells involved in gaseous exchange in Chemu Senior High Technical School.
It is the stomata.
Incorrect. St. Thomas Aquinas.
The lenticels. Lenticels.
I'll continue with the question. In plants, Presbyterian Boys Secondary School.
The guard cells.
Guard cells is correct. Find the quadratic inequality with solution set and bracket open. X is such that x is greater than 5 or x is less than.
So we have x squared minus 8x plus 15, all greater than 0.
Incorrect. I will finish the sentence. Or maybe not. Accra Academy.
We have x squared minus 2x minus 15 is greater than 0.
I will continue with the question. Or x is less than -2. Achimota School.
X squared minus 3x minus 10 is greater than 0.
Correct. A simple pendulum has a string of length 2.0 meters and I'll start again. A simple pendulum has a string of length 2.0 meters and a 6.0 Newton bulb. Find the tension in the string when the pendulum passes through its equilibrium position at 2.0 meters per second. Thirty-second question. Chemu Senior High Technical School.
12 newtons.
Incorrect. St. Thomas Aquinas.
7.2 Newton.
That is correct. Name the cell type that helps support young parts of the shoot. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School.
The collenchyma cells.
Collenchyma cell is correct. Solve the trigonometric equation 2 sine x minus root 3 is equal to 0 for x in the interval pi over 2 is...
X is such that x is equal to a fraction with numerator 2 pi and denominator of 3.
That is correct. So x was between pi over 2 and pi, and that is the correct answer. Find the rest energy. Find the rest energy in electron volts of a particle of mass 3.2 times 10 raised to the power minus 20. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School.
1.8 by 10 raised to an exponent of 1 electron volt.
Incorrect. Achimota School.
1.8 by 10 raised to an exponent of 16 electron volts.
Incorrect. I will continue with the question. Raised to the power 10 raised to the power minus 27. St. Thomas Aquinas.
1.8 by 10 raised to the power of 9 electron volts.
That is correct. Give the name of the tissue that lines the uterus of Presbyterian Boys Secondary School.
The endometrium.
That is correct. Find the number of 3-digit palindromic numbers, the sum of whose digits is 10.
5.
That is correct. Give the binding energy of the hydrogen atom. St. Thomas Aquinas.
So it is positive 13.6 electron volts.
That is correct. And that brings me to the end of round 2.